So I'm working on this 2000 Ford E350 Power Stroke 4-wheel drive converted 6-inch lifted van on 35s, and a lot of this van is done well. But one of the things I would say has not been done correctly is the wiring throughout is just kind of hit and miss. A lot of it, I'm hoping the person that used to own the van did at home himself, because I'm hoping a shop didn't crank out wiring like this. But out of all the lift kit stuff done and the decent quality that everything is done, had wheel speed sensor codes, and this is what I find. Got to focus there. And for some reason it doesn't want to focus, but the wires are just twisted together and we're covered in electrical tape. This is not the way to wire something. If you think this is the way to wire something, please stop working on shit. We're gonna get some heat shrink butt connectors put on here and get this taken care of correctly, and hopefully he won't have any wheel speed sensor codes returned. Both sides were like this, so it's not like something happened and someone repaired this on their own. The two harnesses were mated together by twisting them and electrical taping them, and this is some really shoddy work. But we'll get it taken care of and I'll show you guys what it should look like. Alright, so got the wires cut, got two heat shrink butt connectors put on here. These are weather tight. No water will be getting in and creating issues. I'll get this all electrical tape wrapped, and then I'll wrap it in wire loom, and then we'll get it secured back up here with this brake line. It follows the radius of that brake line, and once we're done, it'll look factory. That is how shit should be done. So if you want to do something, do it right or don't do it at all. Alright, as you can see, she's routed nicely. Everything's secured. It's as factory as it'll ever get. So, key point to take away from here is if you're gonna do it, don't half-ass it. Just do it right. If you don't know how to do it, find someone that does. Twisting wires together, taping them, never kosher. Especially not on something like this that's gonna see weather and movement. So, got to do the same thing the other side, and then this thing will be good to go back together.